What if I told you there's a way to bottle your mead from a keg without the usual mess, foam, or oxygen ruining your hard work? Stick around, because this one tool might just change how you package your mead for good. I just took the Blichmann BeerGun apart to sanitize the inside tube, and now I'm going to put the end piece on.
The little line where this lines up, right here. So you squeeze that in. Yeah. So the back's got to go in first.
I just bottled 5 gallons of beer, so now I'm running sanitizer through the beer gun. CO2 is heavier than oxygen. When you give the bottle a quick blast of CO2, it pushes the oxygen up and out, creating a protective blanket. Always purge with CO2 one last time before capping your bottles. A quick blast under the cap just before the crimp forces out any oxygen that might have snuck in. Now I'm going to bottle and repeat the process a few more times.
Here, get ready to grab this bottle and cap it. Ready? Yeah, we'll use this clear one. It's a nice bottle. Look at the color of that, huh?
I hope this video gave you the confidence to start using the Blichmann BeerGun in your own mead making. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. You'll find the link to the BeerGun in the description below. Until then, happy mead making.